Hey guys, if you wanna find out how you can unlock every specific car in Forza Horizon 6, then in this video I'm gonna show you that. So all you have to do, just pause the game, go to collection journal, and here we need to select Discover Japan. You're gonna see the option for car collection. Select that, and here you will able to see list of each and every car we have in Forza Horizon 6. You can also sort it out by pressing Y on Xbox, Y on keyboard, and triangle on PlayStation. Okay, and here you'll able to see which cars you have unlocked and which are yet to unlock. So you can select whichever car you wanna unlock, simply select that, and that way you'll able to see, like, in order to unlock this car what you need to do. So let's say if I wanna unlock this one, AZ1, I just need to press the option button, or simply I just need to use this key for purchase. Like if you are playing with keyboard, simply press space. If you're playing with controller, you need to press the option button. And you can see this car is available from wheel spin or auto show. So this is from where you'll able to obtain this car. And also if we go for another one, let's say we check out this one, XTS limousine, and okay, we have to press the option button or space button from the keyboard. And okay, this car is also available from wheel spin or auto show. So just like that, you'll able to find how you can unlock a particular car in Forza Horizon 6. Along with this, you also need to go to Horizon Festival. Here you'll able to see things like dirt racing, road racing. Here if you earn more Horizon points, you'll able to unlock more cars. So this is also the way by which you can get cars and rewards. So yeah guys, that's it. This is the process you need to follow to unlock every specific car in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.